We were traveling on I-85 eastbound, and we had just gotten through Montgomery, and we'd been traveling for a couple of hours on our way to the next campsite and decided we wanted to stop to get something to eat. We didn't need gas, but we always find it easiest to go to truck stops. There was a Love's on the way on I-85 that had a Subway and a McDonald's, so we decided to go there. When we decide to stop at a truck stop, I always Google Earth it to see how you get in and out. This one looked like it would be no problem, but it was. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. What we didn't expect was once we made the turn to get into Love's that all the traffic was coming at us and we couldn't back up. Now we had to figure out what we were going to do.
Wah, wah, wah. The only way with all the traffic coming at me was either go through the fuel pumps or drive through the scale. So I decided to go through the scale, which they don't really like you doing unless you want to stop and get weighed. But the fact is that all the trucks were parking where they weren't supposed to park. As you can see, the traffic heading out. It was horrible, but we seemed to make it through it, and it was very busy that day. So I wanted to go to a pull-through parking spot, but there was a truck that was broke down and in need of a tow, so that kind of ruled that one out. So I had to end up backing into a spot. It's always good to check your Google Earth and look for a plan B if plan A doesn't work out.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.